Hi friends! Now that we've learned a little bit about op art, which stands for optical illusion, which I think is really a great art form and it's a lot of fun, we're going to make our own optical illusion art. And this art that we're going to make today is a popping heart. It's like a heart that's popping off of the paper. So I'm going to help you guys learn how to do that. It's not really too hard. It takes a while to color it, but we can do this. And this is what we're going to do. You can make, if you'd like to, you can make a red op art heart. Actually, you can make any color you want. And I also made this black one. So these are two different options, black and white, red and white. You could actually choose probably any color that you wanted to do your op art heart. But it's better to kind of stick with either one color or maybe two colors, but don't get too many or it doesn't really have the effect that it needs to have. Okay, so we'll get to it. I'll show you how to do this and we're gonna have a great time. Okay, friends, what we need to make our popping heart art is a paper that has a grid on it. And I've already drawn this background checkerboard grid for you guys, so that saved you some time. And I drew the heart in the middle. If you were gonna make this at home yourself, you would draw the heart first, and then you would make the checkerboard pattern with a ruler. So the next thing you need to do to make this heart look like it's popping right off of the paper is, first of all, we're gonna draw a line, use a pencil, and draw a line right down the middle of the heart. So we're connecting this line to this line. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, just do your best. Then the next thing we're gonna do to make this heart appear, have the optical illusion of popping up, we don't wanna put straight lines on it, because if we put straight lines on it, it's gonna look flat. If we want it to look like it's popping up, we need to put curved lines. So I'm gonna start over here, and I'm thinking about connecting this line to this line, but not straight across. I'm gonna do it in an arch, like a rainbow shape. Then I'm going to connect this line to this line, also with an arched line. And they don't have to be perfect, just make a nice arch. And this line to this line. And then I'm going to do one right here. And then I'm going to do one at the very bottom right here. So those are all curved lines that go across the heart horizontally. Now we're going to make our lines going vertically, which means up and down, but we're not going to make them straight. We're going to make them curved as well. So I'm going to go from this line to this line, but it's going to be a curved line. And from this line to this line, but make it curved. And then this and this. And this one to this one. That's how we get the illusion that this heart is bending or bulging or popping up. Okay, after we do this, we go ahead and color our squares, leaving every other one white. It's like a checkerboard, so if we're gonna start up here in the corner and make this one black or red or whatever color you're gonna choose. One thing you can do before you even actually color it is you can mark the squares that you are going to color. That way it will help you not get mixed up or messed up. So I'm just gonna put like a super light little X in that square, because if you do it dark, it might show through your marker. So I'm just gonna mark the ones that I'm gonna color black or red or whatever color you choose. So I'm gonna do this one, colored white, color, white, color, white, color, white. Next row is opposite, so this is white, color, white, color, white, color, white, color. And you keep doing that. So that'd be white. White, color. there you go. Once you have it marked, those are the ones that you color and leave the rest white. And then when you're all done coloring it in, and remember you can do any color. Some people in another class did the background black and the heart red. You could maybe pick 2 colors that you wanted to use, but I wouldn't pick more than that because it kind of takes away from the effect. So then when you're done, to make it look like it's popping out even more, you can do what's called shading. You take your pencil and you make little dark lines here, and you can smudge it with your finger. On this black one, I actually took a white oil pastel and did some highlighting where I made some parts lighter. But I'm going to go back and I'm going to make some of these other sides around the edge and make them have a little shadow. Okay, I think if you make those little shadows, it kind of gives it some more depth. It makes it look like it's popping out a little more. All right, friends, I hope you have fun making your op art popping heart. It rhymes. Hope you have a great time and enjoy this project. See you next time.